So, hello students. Today we are going to learn part 6 of chapter number 20, that is exponents and powers of class 8. Okay. So in the previous example in the previous class we have solved some examples based on power and exponents. Then in that we have learned how to find the power when base are equal. Now today we are going to solve some more example based on the same concept. Okay. So now let us consider an example. Now here it is given that find the value of a upon b if 2 upon 3 raised to minus 5 into 9 upon 11 raised to minus 5 is equal to a upon b raised to minus 5. Okay, so now it is given that here 2 upon 3 raised to minus 5 into 9 upon 11 raised to minus 5. Now if you look at these both numbers, okay, it seems that both the numbers are having different base but same power. Okay, so when two numbers are having different base and same power, so we multiply the numbers and write the power only one time, so it will come in this way. So we have written here 2 upon 3 into 9 upon 11, that is product of base and power only one time. Okay, now it will be equals to what? So it will be equals to our same, that is a upon b raised to minus 5. Now condition is that if you want to find the value of base, you have to make the powers same. Already the powers are same. Okay, but now check whether we can make any cancellation over here or not. Yes, we can do. Okay, so what type of cancellation is possible? So let us see it. So 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. Okay, then no other calculations are possible over here. So now it equals to a upon b raised to minus 5. Okay, now in next step, what do you get? Now 2 threes are, so you will get 6, 11 ones are 11 raised to minus 5 equals to a upon b raised to minus 5. Now here it can be seen that on both the side of equal to there are only one numbers. Okay, and both of them are having same power. Okay, so when the powers are same, we can write the base equal to each other. Okay, so in next step you will get, since the powers are same, that is both of them are having minus 5, so directly we can write 6 upon 11 equals to a upon b, that is a upon b equals to 6 upon 11. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, now so what is the condition what we have learned? If you want to find the value of a base, we have to make the powers equal. If you want to find the value of powers, we have to make the base equal. Okay, now let us solve a different type of example. Now here it is given that by what number should 1 upon 3 raised to minus 1 be multiplied so that the product is minus 3 upon 8 raised to minus 1. Okay, so now let us consider the number multiplied be x. Okay, so let the required number be x. Now when you are multiplying it by x, so now what will be the result? So as per the condition, now 1 upon 3 raised to minus 1 into x equals to minus 3 upon 8 raised to minus 1. Now this number is having power negative. Okay, so if you are changing it to positive, we have to take a reciprocal of the base. Okay, so when you're taking reciprocal of base, so what do you get? Now here this 1 upon 3 will become only 3, power will be 1. If you're not writing, then also it will work. Now here this number is also having a negative power. To make it positive, we have to take a reciprocal of this one. So here we get 8 upon minus 3 raised to 1. If you're not writing, then also it works. Okay, now in next step what we will do, we want to keep x alone on one side, so remaining all the numbers will go on the other side. So 3 is multiplying over here. If you change its side, it will divide. Okay, so now this 3 will come over here. Okay, so what you will get, x equals to 8 upon minus 3 into 3. So in next step you will get now 8 numerator as it is, now minus into plus minus, 3 threes are 9. So what we are going to do, we will write this number in standard form, means our denominator must be positive. So what will be our final answer? X equals to minus 8 upon 9. Okay, Now let us consider one more example of same type. Now here it is given that by what number should minus 7 raised to minus 1 be divided. In the previous example it was multiplied. Now here it is given divided, so that the quotient is 5 raised to minus 1. So again same condition, let the number be, required number be x. Okay, so as per the condition, now what is the condition? So you will get that minus 7 raised to minus 1, it should be divided by x to get 5 raised to minus 1. Now remember that this number is having negative power. If you want to make it positive, we have to write a reciprocal of this number. Same here, this number is also negative, having negative power. So if you want to make it positive, we have to take reciprocal of 5. Okay, so what you will get in the next step, minus 7's reciprocal is 1 upon minus 7 divided by this x as it is, and reciprocal of 5 is 1 upon 5. Remember why we are taking reciprocal? To make these powers positive. Now here this 1 upon minus 7 is divided by x. We cannot directly do any calculation. So first what we will do, if we are changing this division to multiplication, we have to take reciprocal of x. Okay, so what you will get in next step, 1 upon minus 7 into 1 upon x equals to 1 upon 5. Okay, then now in next step what we will do, we have to keep x on one side, remaining all the numbers on the other side. So here x is in denominator, if we are changing inside it will come in numerator and will be on one side, and 5 if it comes on this side it will come in numerator. So in next step what you will get, 5 upon minus 7 equals to x, that is we'll write it in standard form. So you will get minus 5 upon 7 is equal to x. Okay, so hope you all must have understood up till here. So this much is enough for today. Thank you, have a nice day.